Our bass line every day for 365 days. It's day 30 and we got a cha-cha-cha in E flat minor. That's the line. Notice the mute by my bridge. This allows me to play with nice long tones, and the mute kind of has a really nice natural decay to the string. This is a 1 finger per fret system. Look at my left hand. If you know your E flat minor scale or your any minor scale, you can play this. Rhythmically, it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Root, flat 6, 5, 4, 2, flat 3, 5. I'll see you tomorrow.